Why does the research force physicists to accept something that appears to be impossible? In the context of the highlighted text, the passage says that by separating entangled photons by great distance and measuring them, it was determined that the measurement of one particle determines the spin of the other instantaneously, or at least many times faster than the speed of light, which was traditionally considered the fastest speed. And hence, the passage says that this has forced the physicist to accept something that appears to be impossible. So it can be inferred that the impossibility is that the spin travels instantaneously or at least many times faster than the speed of light. So we need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, the research offers the first evidence of quantum entanglement. The passage mentions that the most recent research has given the strongest evidence of quantum entanglement. The passage doesn't suggest that the research offers the first evidence. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice B, it proves that the entangled photons' interaction happens faster than the speed of light. Yes, this is what is implied here in the term impossibility. The passage suggests that the spin travels instantaneously or at least many times faster than the speed of light, and hence this research challenges the traditional view that the speed of light is the fastest speed. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C. It was previously believed that the photons could not be split into entangled particles. The passage makes no suggestion regarding such a previous belief. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. The measurement of one entangled photon determines the spin of the other. The passage says that the research indicates that the measurement of one particle determines the spin of the other particle. However, this is not the impossibility cited in the passage. The impossibility is that the spin travels instantaneously or at least many times faster than the speed of light. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E. Einstein could not explain the principle of quantum entanglement. The passage mentions that Einstein referred to quantum entanglement as spooky action. So it is likely that Einstein could not explain this principle. However, that is not the impossibility cited in the highlighted text. The impossibility cited in the highlighted text is the instantaneous travel of the spin, or the spin traveling at least many times faster than the speed of light. So let's eliminate this answer choice. B is the correct answer choice.